Guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, possibly the worst phone of 2020. And of course, when this phone first came out, I warned you guys. Some of you took my advice, some of you guys did not, and now it's too late, and I'm getting messages with some complaints telling me that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 was not satisfactory. There's a lot of buyer's remorse. Now, by the way, please pay attention to my words. We're not talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. It is certainly a phone I want to talk about as we're closing 2020 and starting 2021. And in the future, I hope that Samsung does not make this mistake again. Again, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. If you have the Note 20 Ultra, if you purchased the Note 20 Ultra, you're fine. In fact, I think the Note 20 Ultra is the best smartphone of 2020. This one right here, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, is a beast. It's a monster. It's worth the price tag, even though the price tag is steep. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, this guy right here, is $1,000. It is still a very high-end steep price tag, and it's not worth any of that. So let's dive in and quickly talk about this, because even now there's some people that are shopping for the Note 20 series. I want to make sure that you do not buy the Note 20. If you do want to buy it, get the Note 20 Ultra, or I'm going to give you some other options that you can buy if you're about to dump $1,000 on a worthless product. So real quick, guys, I know we love the internet, but everything that you're doing online is basically being tracked by everyone, including your service provider. Now, with NordVPN, your location and your connection can be completely hidden and secured under a military-grade encryption, so you can surf the internet without a trace, no matter where you are, whether that's your home or in a public location. So if you do care about your privacy and your security, grab NordVPN. It's so secure, it even allows you to trick the system by making it look like you're surfing the web from another country, while you could be sitting in the United States, so you become untraceable and hack proof. Now, if you go to nordvpn.com/org/SAKITECH, what you're getting is 68% off, plus you get 1 month free, and of course you get nothing to lose because you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link nordvpn.org/SAKITECH, which is also linked down below. It's time to become untraceable. Alright, so let me just repeat this one more time. The price tag of the Note 20, even right now, if you don't have a trade-in, is $1,000, which is ridiculous. The first problem it has is it has a 60 hertz refresh rate. Now, I'm not saying the 60 is a bad thing. I personally know a lot of people that use 60 hertz refresh rate screens, and they don't even know what's going on. They don't even know there's 120 out there. They don't care. However, when you spend $1,000, 120 should be standard. Also, Samsung has another phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, that is only $600. Sometimes you can get this even for $500, and that one has 120 hertz refresh rate, and that's $600. So it doesn't make any sense why the Note 20 would have 60 hertz and a 1080p display when the Note 20 Ultra has a quad HD plus resolution, 120 hertz, and all that good stuff for a couple $100 more. So that's reason number one, horrible display at the price. Let me clarify that though. If the Note 10 was a $600 phone, I wouldn't be complaining about this at all. The only reason this becomes a problem is because of that high $1,000 price tag that I'm still seeing on Samsung.com. They have not given this thing a price reduction. And I don't want you guys to go out and buy this by mistake, because you are getting a bad product for the money spent. Like I said, we have an S20 FE over here, 120 hertz, 1080p, flagship processor, $600, same build quality as the Note 20. Again, that's another problem. The Note 20 Ultra has a high-end build quality. This phone has the latest Gorilla Glass on the front and the back under this case. So it's a durable phone and it's premium, and of course that's what you would expect when you spend all that money. Going over to the Note 20 over here, first and foremost, the glass in the front is not even Gorilla Glass 7 or Gorilla Glass Victus as they call it. It is going to be an inferior build quality on the front, and the rear is plastic. This is not glass, this is just plastic, which again is ridiculous for the price tag. Not that I hate plastic phones, but I hate plastic phones that cost $1,000. Those are my biggest concerns with the Note 20. Additionally, on top of that, it also happens to lack the micro SD expansion option that you still find on the Note 20 Ultra. So again, like I said, I did get a bunch of messages from people telling me that I bought the Note 20, I watched your videos, and they were not satisfied because it doesn't have 120 Hz refresh rate. But that's why I made the videos in the very beginning when the phone got released and told you not to buy the Note 20, instead to put extra money in and get the Note 20 Ultra. And of course, now it's too late. Even if you try to sell this on eBay, it's not going to get you the good price tag. The best advice I can tell you is hold on to the Note 20, and when the next phone comes out that you want from Samsung, simply do a trade-in. Samsung does historically give very good values on trade-in towards their own smartphones. So hopefully you'll be able to get $600 to $700 if you trade this in when the S21 comes out, or maybe when the Note 21 comes out. But yeah, that's what I want to talk about in this video in response to this bunch of messages that I got from a bunch of people. So again, a quick summary. If you have the Note 20 Ultra, in my opinion, this is the best smartphone of 2020. You should be highly satisfied, full of features, and of course, it's got all the flagship check marks checked, okay? This is a great phone. Now, if you're in the market for a budget smartphone, you're trying to spend less money, but you still want like a flagship level phone, don't buy the Note 10, okay? Because you can spend way more less money and get the S20 FE for a larger savings, and this phone right here are basically equal except for that S Pen functionality. Now, what price is fair for the Note 20 in the future? Let's say in the future you're looking around, you're shopping around, and you saw the Note 20 and the price says $500. Maybe 5 months from now, maybe 6 months from now, that's when you want to buy it. It is okay to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 at $500, but never do so for $1,000. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, complaints, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?